So welcome to the Metaverse. I'm Frederick and I'm standing here together with my colleague Eric.
Hello.
And we are going to present how you can use the Metaverse for industrial purposes. And I have prepared actually a robotic cell from Yaskawa here. So here I have the robot cell and we can move into it and see it because now it's like closed, but I can just move into here and standing inside this, but it's a bit like claustrophobic here, so maybe we should increase the size to real size and we can stand here together. So I will just move out from it and I take my hand and I increase the size. Maybe this is more realistic. And then we can go into it again, and I'm just moving around here in my living room. So then I'm standing inside this, and here I can look at the bolts, the different tubes and nuts and so on. But still, I think this is a bit claustrophobic. Don't you think so, Eric?
Yeah, it's a bit claustrophobic.
So I have actually also prepared one where I open up one of the sides. So then we can modify the model, the CAD model. This is the CAD model and I can modify it. So let's take another one here. Now it's open and we can stand here outside of the robot cell and I can point and click on it. And we can also go inside here, and maybe I want to say something about the tooltip up there. You see it in the top of the cell?
I see it.
Then I can fly up here and I can be standing in the air talking about this tooltip and how to fasten different welding tools, other machines. And I can also have an explosion sketch of this to see the electronics inside, the cables, and I can use this for training of my service technicians, but I can also use this as a tool for selling. I can have this in an industrial environment from one of my clients and demonstrate how this robot will look like for them in their locations. And I can also animate it. I can connect it to real software so we can have the robot running the real program for palletizing or welding or other purposes. But I can also actually use this virtual model to program a real robot by moving the joints, by interacting with this virtual environment. We can store the different sensor values, the different coordinates of the robot, and then mirror that to a real physical one. So you can truly say that this is a digital twin of a real robot. You can both mirror the real existence inside here, but also take the virtual one out to the physical world. And this is good when you have a service technician. Maybe you want to have a training and say you need to fill in oil in this hole and you need to tighten these bolts. And I can go down actually here and see all the different details of the robot. And we can be standing here together so I can explain for Eric how to do stuff. I don't need to share this on a flat computer screen. Instead, I experience it here in 3 dimensions. But I can, if I have a lot of audience, explain this over a flat TV screen as well. So I can be standing here inside the Metaverse with a VR headset and everything, but my audience, the clients, the customers, can be sitting in front of their computers and following along. So you have several modes of interaction with these virtual worlds. So if you want to know more about the Metaverse and how to use that for industrial purposes, please contact us at aroundthecorner.sc. Thank you very much. Looking forward to talking more to you.